option. Loft option. Loft is an option. Actually, when we do ceiling design, can you see this border? These kind of designs you want around the ceiling. Or can you see this one? These kind of designs. So these kind of things, if you get, it is very difficult to do manually, right? It's very difficult to do manually to get this kind of shape. So these things which you can use, which you can make using loft. Okay. Example. I have a wall, maybe first I will show you without wall. In the top view, switch on X snap to grid. Maybe this is we have a dining hall. Right. Okay. So just imagine this is my top of the ceiling. My room is like this. Okay. You understand? Now I'm making a profile. That profile need to come through this path. This is a kind of spacing tool we have done, path deform we have done, similar kind of thing only, but there is a profile things I'm making. That design need to come across this one. So go to left view or front view. I'm making that designs here first. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then I want to select this vertex point. I want to fillet. In some places I want to fillet like this. Okay, something like this is my design. You understand? I hope you can understand the designs, what I'm expecting. In the border, we need something like this. So this vertexes I'm selecting, and the width I reduce. This also I reduce. This is what I need. Okay. Then I smaller. See. Now what I'm doing, two way you can do. When you select options of loft is in compound object. Okay. See see, I'm in create. The first option geometry. Then in the geometry we have compound objects. Here you can see loft option. One more time on the create geometry, then compound objects. You can see compound. From here I'm choosing third one. Okay, we took pro boolean and all from the same place. When you click loft, there are two options: get path, get shape. Get path and get shape. If you select this profile first, you need to choose get shape. If you choose this shape first, you need to choose get path. Now I choose this one now, right? So this is already a path. So I need to choose what? Shape. See, through this line, we need to attach this design. So this is my path and this is my shape. So I select this this path, then I give loft. Then I already choose my path. So I'm just clicking on get shape and click over here. So this design will come over here. But if I'm doing opposite, if I selected this one, then I do loft, then what I have to do, get path. So the path will be coming based on this. Okay. So what I need, I selected this one, loft, get path, sorry, get shape. This shapes we need to get here. And it's coming in a black color. It's because, see, can you see the design how it comes? If you go to this loft, this option, then if you do any changes, you can go select this spline. Vertex or spline is okay. Spline means when you select it, whatever changes you do on the spline, it also will be changing. You see, it comes inside now. It's inside now. Understand? Now, all the border, we got this kind of a design. So we have a ceiling and we're going to get like this. Or you want to rotate to other side. Inside, you want to get like this. You can do even that. When you're rotating and all, keep it. This one you switch on. So how much degree you are doing, you can adjust. So you got like this. Perfect. Right? Now this is a ceiling, so you can do extrude. This is my ceiling. So this kind of whatever style, if you want here, you can make it. Now, if you do a changes on this vertex, if you do any changes on this effect to that shape. So I want to change this path. You can, of course, you want to do here fillet again, you can do it. Or you want to move that, you want to move to down. Any portions, you can customize it. Hope you're getting the idea. Okay, so this is the profile. So you can do this one anywhere if you want. For example, you have a circle here. On this circle, you want this one. So you can select this one, compound object, loft, click get. Sorry, first you need to select this one. That will be perfect. Loft, get shape. This which shape? This shape you need to come is inside now. So your ceiling is like this. See, this one does have very less vertex, right? That's why this comes like this. So you can do right click, select this one, convert to editable spline. Then if you right click it, you will get refine option, or refine is here also. I showed you yesterday. Refine, why we are doing? To add vertex point over there. So we use refine vertex. If you select, see, I can add some vertex point over here, or right click also, you get vertex point. So you get this proper circle. Otherwise it's not proper circle. It's look like a lot of divisions here and there. Okay, now I selected this one. I do compound object, compound objects, loft, and get shape. Right now, to do the ceiling, you have a curve here, right? Already take a copy of this one, or already you will have this one. Extrude. So you have your ceiling. So of course this will be on. You can do lighting and all inside. So you will have a big ceiling, right? This way. You might have seen this kind of many designs. So next time when I'm showing you some exercise to do, these kind of many designs will be here and there. You can see on the mirrors, on the borders, especially Arabic designs, you can find many things over here. See, Arabic interior design. For example, can you see on the borders and all? On the borders, I'll show you. It is there very clearly, but it's not getting on. Can you see on the border? This one I'll tell you later. Here is the, not only on the ceiling, many places on the borders and all, you can see the same kind of patterns. This is a ceiling now, what we have created, similar kind of a ceiling. Okay, many places you will find. Now in Arabic pattern, mainly some other things are coming. You can see these kind of textures, okay, and these kind of designs. This is the next things you need to study. So I teach you now this kind of ceiling, how can we make? Okay, the next portion should be how can we create this kind of pattern? Not only this kind of pattern, any patterns you might have, since you can see these patterns, these all designs, you can bring it from Illustrator. You don't need to make it this all. Illustrator, you make a design, we import it and we extrude it. We did before for one small exercise, but I'm going to show you for this one again in the next sessions. But first you ensure how to do the ceiling now, then we'll go for the different kind of Arabic pattern in that.